Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. Today I'll show you how you can do a cool winter scarf, and as you can see today we have a lovely star pattern or a flower pattern if you like to call it that way. All in all, it's done in puffs and it's really cool, really simple as well, so great for beginners if you want to try out something new. So you can see in each individual piece we are doing puffs around the center stitch, and I did this with my 6mm needle as well, so that's all you're gonna need. I used a total of 4 spools, and the scarf is about 150 centimeters and 20 centimeters wide, so stay tuned. So I'll start with the soft alpaca wool from Rico Design. It's 60% acrylic, 20% alpaca, and 20% wool, 50 grams and 125 meters, or 1.8 ounces and 138 yards. And it's for a needle size 4, and I'll be using a little bit bigger needle, so 6mm. So I'll start my first spool. I'm finding the beginning thread, and let's start with a chain. Then pull it long and take the yarn over and go through the chain to get 3 loops on your needle, and then do it again. There we go, 5 loops, and now I'll push my middle finger here in between and I'll pull the thread through the top. I'll go here through the loop on the side and pull the thread all the way through. And this is how I get 1 puff. Let's do that again. Pull the thread a little bit longer, yarn over and through. 3, one more time, 5 loops. And close up, and then keep doing that. As you can see, it's super easy to do. I've got 3 puffs now. And I'll stop when I have 7 puffs. Okay, here are my 7. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now I'll do number 8. It's gonna stay in this row, but we will use it to start the next one. So we're doing the same thing as before. But this one is going to be for the height, so I want it kind of pointing upwards. And now I want 5 new loops on the needle, but we won't close them up yet. Instead, we will go between these 2 buddies. Take 6 loops onto the needle. 4, and 6, and I will connect them. So at the beginning we have 5, then 2 times 6, so a total of 12 plus 5 is 17 loops on my needle. So again, use the help of your middle finger and pull the thread through the whole thing. And close up. And you can notice, so this went up for the next row, and we have a 3-piece structure around the one center point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 total. So now we can again start a new puff, and the center point stays the same. So we go through here, and then we continue in the row itself. Again, 6 loops on the needle. So we're repeating what we already did. We want 17 loops total. There we go. Here is another 3-piece structure, and here is the one that's incoming. So it's always building new ones and finishing old ones as you keep working the same step. So the 5 loops in the middle and the 2 times 6 in the 2 following ones. Here we are again, so you see what I mean, and now I'll continue till I get the whole row done. Six, another 6, let's pull them together. And we continue. 5, 6, and 6, and pull the thread through. I'm here at the end, so you see I finished the whole row, and now I'll turn this to the other side. I'll pull the thread tall, and I'll again start with 1 puff. Then I'll use this stitch as my beginnings, and I'll do 5 more puffs. And these 2 openings are what I'll do next. Finger in the front, pull through, and do a stitch to finish up. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces in this structure, and here is the first 3-piece structure of this round. So let's continue. Six, the next one. And here is the first finished start of the flower, so we have 5 petals around the center. And the more you keep working, the more flowers you will get, and it's the same thing as we did so far. So you see how beautiful a beginner's pattern can be. Let's reach the other side. Row 2 is done. I'll again take one for the height and I'll turn. And now I'll start again with new puffs. 5 around the needle. Three more puffs. Five. Two times 6 loops, and I'll continue this way till I reach my desired size. So after 4 spools, I have my scarf and just a little bit left over. I'll pull this out and then I'll shorten it and weave it in, of course. So here is the last row. You see what it looks like. It's pretty much the same as the first one. Here are the corners, and the sides are also the same, so they look completely alike. And my favorite thing about this scarf is its thickness. So you see from the side how super thick it really is, and this is awesome for the winter and for cold weather, so super cuddly and super soft as well. I hope you're gonna enjoy wearing it. So this is the flower pattern, or the star pattern as you like to call it. I hope you guys like the way it looks. It's not difficult and it is a little bit different. I gotta weave in a bit where I changed all the spools and stuff, but apart from that, we're pretty much done. So we have 20 centimeters of width and about 1.5 meters of length. So if you guys did enjoy today's project, you can let us know by shooting us a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to our channel, and other than that, I'll see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!